Today's session P block elements allotropic form of phosphorus discuss. So before discuss nitrogen and now discuss for phosphorus basics and P block elements. So phosphorus several allotropism. So three form of phosphorus: white phosphorus, red phosphorus and black phosphorus. So freshly prepared of phosphorus colorless and begins the pale yellow color formation students. So that layer color of variations of red phosphorus and consider is also hence known as yellow phosphorus. So most of yellow phosphorus is the very poisonous nature compared to the white phosphorus is the non-poisonous nature. So very important one mark. So yellow phosphorus is a poisoning and a garlic smell. So one very important of one mark. And next dark oxidation is a phosphorescence for yellow phosphorus, but white phosphorus do not phosphorescence. White phosphorus do not phosphorescence. So next any composition of the room temperature of phosphorus pentoxide easily spontaneous combustions, and rest phosphorus is heating of 420 degrees Celsius, absence of air and light. So phosphorus, white phosphorus is not poisonous, already discussed students. The phosphorus is the layer of structure is semiconductor. So polymeric structure P4 1 2 3 4, the chain will be increased is the polymeric structure. So P triple bond P or P single bond P phosphorus. So phosphorus properties is a reaction with oxygen yellow phosphorus to give that phosphorus pentoxide compared to the red phosphorus with oxygen phosphorus trioxide or phosphorus pentoxide P2O3 or P2O5. So next important the phosphorus with oxygen phosphorus trioxide phosphorus with 5 mole of oxygen to give the phosphorus pentoxide is a P2O5 into 2, so P4O10. So next with the phosphorus with chlorine phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus with 10 mole of chlorine gas is phosphorus pentachloride will be product. And very important of alkali reaction phosphorus with alkali sodium hydroxide to give removal of water molecules to give the product sodium hypophosphate and the product is phosphine. So next important phosphorus with magnesium or calcium with the sodium to give the phosphorus is will be vigorously to give the product is magnesium phosphate, calcium phosphate and sodium phosphate. And uses phosphorus is used as matchbox already known. So phosphor bronze and phosphine the same reaction phosphorus with sodium hydroxide with water molecules, alkali with water molecule to give the sodium hypophosphate with phosphine will be the product, and the calcium phosphide with water molecule to give the phosphine. So phosphoric acid with heat involved orthophosphoric acid and to give product phosphine. And important will be directly discussed for important basic nature of phosphine react with hydrogen iodide to give the phosphorus iodide, the phosphorus iodide with water molecule to give the phosphine. And next, so phosphine structure sp3 hybridization, 3 hydrogen will be bonded and the lone pair electron occupied the fourth corner is the lone pair electron is the fourth corner and the reduced of bond angle is 94 degrees Celsius. And uses of phosphine very important 2 mark question, very important 2 mark question is the old about the chip identification signal is very important of approaches of chip in the ocean, in the sea rivers, and the smoke screen the pure container mixed with calcium carbide and calcium phosphate with liberated phosphine and acetylene thrown into the sea. The liberated phosphine catch the ignite acetylene is burns with the gas. The signal approaches of the chips. That reaction is known as Holmes signal reaction. Very important 2 mark question, students. And preparations of phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus with thionyl chloride to give phosphorus trichloride and sulfur dioxide and thionyl chloride, thiochloride. And next important, phosphorus trichloride with water to give the phosphoric acid and hydrochloric acid. Next important, how to uses of phosphorus trichloride into preparation chlorinated of agent in preparation of phosphoric acid. Same phosphorus pentachloride. So this is a phosphorus trichloride structure. This is a phosphorus preparation. Pentachloride means phosphorus trichloride with chlorine gas. To give the product is phosphorus pentachloride. So phosphorus pentachloride decomposes reaction phosphorus trichloride and chlorine gas. So phosphorus pentachloride with water, phosphoryl chloride to give the product. Very important. Phosphoryl chloride with water molecule to give the phosphoric acid. And next, uses of phosphorus pentachloride is also containing chlorinated agents is replacing of hydroxyl group of chlorine atom. And next discuss structure of oxide and oxo acid of phosphorus. So phosphorus form of phosphorus trioxide and phosphorus tetroxide, phosphorus pentoxide, phosphorus trioxide, pentoxide, tetroxide. So 4 phosphorus atom will be corner tetrahedron. 6 oxygen atom along the edge is the oxo acid. So P bond with O, phosphorus bond with oxygen bond is distance Armstrong 165.6 Armstrongs. Next will be is the important of the structure like that P4O10 phosphorus pentoxide structure is also 184 parameter wavelength is pi bond to p pi bond to t pi bond is overlap of the bond. And next important of the oxo acid structure, orthophosphoric acid. Important student structure will be drawn. And orthophosphoric acid is, this is also phosphorus acid. Orthophosphoric acid is a pyrophosphoric acid structure will be important. So now this here also maybe question for asked pyrophosphoric acid structure will be drawn. Already annual question paper also 2020 question paper will be asked the orthophosphoric acid and pyrophosphoric acid. So next year will be asked the question type of the structure and preparation will be oxo acid phosphorus is also preparation. Example like important hypophosphorus acid. Hypophosphorus acid oxidation state and preparation phosphorus with 6 mole of water molecule to give the product is hypophosphorus acid. And group number 16 discuss. Group number 16 is the chalcogen families is the oxygen group. So very important, what is the name of the chalcogen? 2 mark question. So most of oxides ore and oxide for sulfides is a very important. So sulfur is also oxygen is also present also. Sulfur form is sulfate is the gypsum Epsom salt and sulfide form is the galena zinc sulfide zinc blend in volcanic ashes. And the next important is the often are found in the element of group selenides and tellurides is except along with the sulfide ores. So outermost subcell electronic configuration every atom important. So oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium is also electronic configuration. Clued already informed students. Next discuss preparations of oxygen. So oxygen is a 23% of water and 83% in mass of the oxygen easily hold rocks and important. And the laboratory method prepare hydrogen peroxide invert presence of manganese oxide catalyst to give separated of water and oxygen gas preparations. And properties. So oxygen allotropism of two nature, one dioxygen, another one ozone trioxide. So very important laboratory prepared of ozone. So molecular oxygen converted into atomic oxygen state. So atomic oxygen state with oxygen combined to form of ozonized oxygen is the ozone. O3 is called convert is the pale blue gases is fractional distillation method is the ozonized oxidation is the preparation very important, and conversation structure is the very important. Next will be important of ozone with quantitative analysis of estimation of ozone process. Ozone with potassium iodide with water molecule to give product potassium hydroxide and oxygen gas and iodine gas, liberated iodine. So uses already known for oxygen uses, essential compound of survival living organism, and welding oxyacetylene in the welding uses. Liquid oxygen is used as the fuel rockets. Next important type of the sulfur, so alpha sulfur, beta sulfur, gamma sulfur. So ortho sulfur means rhombic sulfur, crystalline amorphous solids. So type of solids will be discussed, amorphous solids, crystalline solids. So to form crystalline as well as amorphous solids, allotropic form of amorphous function, two basic functions of sulfur. So rhombic sulfur is alpha sulfur, monoclinic sulfur is the beta sulfur. So discuss for next class. Thank you students.